Hello again, everybody, and welcome to your English class with teacher Blanca Valencia. Today we're going to have a lesson about the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is to talk about things that are happening at the moment of speaking. For example, right now, I am talking to you, and you are listening to me. We can also give some examples. For example, for the verb climb. With the verb climb, we can say that this girl is climbing the wall. Climb. Climbing. We add the letters ing to the verb in base form to form the present continuous tense. She is climbing a wall. Now let's see another example with the verb think. The verb in base form think. Now we can say that she is thinking about her house and her car. Think, thinking. She is thinking right now about her house and her car. Let's see this other verb, the verb cook. In present continuous would be cooking. My mom is cooking delicious food. Cooking. My mom is cooking spaghetti, meat, potatoes, and vegetables right now. Now let's make some affirmative sentences and negative sentences in present continuous. First, look at this picture and let's read the sentence. Mia is climbing a wall. Mia is climbing a wall. She isn't climbing a mountain. She isn't climbing a mountain. How do we form the affirmative sentences? First, we use the subject. Then we use the verb to be in present tense. Mia is. She is. Then the verb with the ing form. Mia is climbing. And then the complement. A wall. Now, how do we make a negative sentence? We simply add the negative form of verb to be before the verb in ing form. Mia is the subject. She isn't. She is not climbing a mountain. Mia is climbing a wall. She isn't climbing a mountain. This is for the third person. Mia is. She is not. She isn't. Now let's see another example with first person singular I. I am thinking about my house. I am thinking about my house. A negative sentence would be, I am not thinking about my cat. We form the affirmative sentence with the subject I and the form of the verb to be, I am. I am thinking, the verb with ing. And the negative form, again we use I am, but we add the word not, the negative form of verb to be, I am not. Or we can use the contraction, I'm not. I'm not thinking about my cat. Let's see now, how can we make questions? The interrogative form of the sentence in present continuous. For this, we need to put first, at the beginning of our sentence, the verb to be. For example, is. Is Mia climbing a wall? You see that we begin the question with verb to be and then the subject, and then the verb ing. Is Mia climbing a wall? And now an example with the verb think. First, we put the verb to be for the first person. Am. Am I thinking about my house? Am I thinking about my house? Now let's see one more sentence in question form. Remember the sentence that I said, my mom is cooking delicious food. My mom is cooking spaghetti and meat. Now let's make this into a question. Mom, are you cooking spaghetti and meat? First, the verb to be, are. Are you cooking? Verb ing. Are you cooking spaghetti and meat? Let's see now how can we answer, how can we give short answers to questions in present continuous. Let's read. Is he riding a bike? Is he riding a bike? No, he isn't. No, he isn't is a short answer. Instead of saying, no, he isn't riding a bike, we just say, no, he isn't. And then we say, he is riding a motorcycle. He's riding a motorcycle. Can we read the sentences again? Is he riding a bike? No, he isn't. He's riding a motorcycle. We can give affirmative or negative answers. Let's see these short answers. Are they watching television? No, they aren't. Are they swimming in the pool? Yes, they are. Now let's read one more time. Are they watching television? No, they aren't. In present continuous, it means that at the moment of speaking, they are not watching television. What are they doing? Are they swimming in the pool? Yes, they are. They are swimming in the pool right now. Let's see another form of the verbs in present continuous. The ing form also is to talk about future plans. Let's see these examples. We are traveling to Paris in August. We are not traveling right now. We have the plan for going to Paris in the future. We are traveling to Paris in August. Let's see now this in question form. Are they going to France next week? Are they going to France next week? Short answer, no, they aren't. Now, talking about future plans, let's see this other example. I am buying a new smartphone tomorrow. I am not buying it today. I'm not talking about what I'm doing right now. I'm talking about some plans that I have in the future. Let's read the sentences again. I am buying a new smartphone tomorrow. I am not buying it today. When I say it, I'm talking about the smartphone. First the subject, then the verb to be, the verb ing. But the expression tomorrow gives me the idea of future plans. I am buying a new smartphone tomorrow. And then I am not buying it today. It means in the afternoon or later. I am not buying it today. We can also use question words like what to begin questions for future plans in present continuous. What are you doing this afternoon? Meaning, what are your plans for this afternoon? What are you doing this afternoon? And the answer, I'm going to my friend's house to play video games. Let's read the sentence. I'm going to my friend's house to play video games in the afternoon. Future plans, but we can use also the verb in ing form. Now it's time for an exercise. Let's see. We have the subject, the astronaut. The astronaut, and we have the verb in base form in infinitive, travel, and the complement, to space. Can you make a sentence in present continuous with these words? Let's see. The astronaut is traveling to space. That is the present continuous form. The astronaut is traveling. Now, I'm going to show you something you like very much. Pizza. Let's make a sentence in present continuous form with the word pizza and the verb have. We is the subject. We, the verb in base form, we have. The complement, pizza. Can you make a sentence in present continuous form with these words? Very well. Let's see if you were correct. The present continuous form is we are having pizza. We are having pizza. Let's continue with the exercise. Now let's make negative sentences, okay? The affirmative sentence was, the astronaut is traveling to space. Now let's make it negative. Remember, you have to add the verb to be and then the particle not. The astronaut is not traveling to the moon. The astronaut is not traveling to the moon. Now let's make a sentence in negative form for the second example. Remember, the affirmative sentence was, we are having pizza. We are having pizza is an affirmative sentence. Let's make it negative. We are not having pizza. We aren't having pizza. We are having a hamburger. Let's see some time expressions you can use when you are speaking in present continuous. For example, we use the verb eat in present continuous form. I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. But we can use the time expressions like now. I am eating an apple now. I am eating an apple right now. Or we can also say, I am eating an apple at the moment. Time expressions, now, right now, at the moment. These time expressions can be used also in negative sentences. Let's see this. I am not eating a banana. I am not eating a banana now. I am not eating a banana right now. Or I am not eating a banana at the moment. Do you remember that we were talking about moods, feelings, and states? We can also use the present continuous form to talk about our feelings right now. For example, I am feeling happy right now. He is feeling happy. You are feeling hot. He is feeling hot at the moment. She is feeling surprised. Is she feeling surprised right now? Now, let's see if you can answer these questions. Is he feeling happy? Or is he feeling surprised? How is he feeling now? Happy or surprised? If your answer was surprised, you are correct. He is feeling surprised. Now the second example, is he feeling sleepy or is he feeling angry? Sleepy or angry? What is your answer? If your answer was sleepy, sorry, it's not correct. If your answer was angry, you are correct. He's feeling angry. Okay? Now let's see, how is he feeling? Is he feeling hot or cold? Look at him, he's wearing sunglasses because he feels hot. That's right. He is feeling hot is the correct answer. Now let's see our last example. Look at him. Is he feeling happy or scared? Is he feeling happy or is he feeling scared? Look at his face. If your answer was happy, you are correct. He's feeling happy. The present continuous form is also used to know what people are doing right now. We can ask questions like this. What are you doing? What are you doing? I want to know what you are doing now at the moment. Or we can ask, what is he doing? What is he doing? Or what is she doing? What is she doing? Or we can also ask, what are we doing? What are we doing? Or about they, what are they doing? What are they doing? It's not very common to ask about me in first person, what am I doing? But we can also ask, what am I doing? Now let's answer these questions. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am playing with the dog. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is visiting a fun fair, a fun park. What are we doing? What are we doing? We are swimming in the pool. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are buying a car. That was all for today. Thank you for being in the class. See you next class. Bye.